What's going on, everybody? Dusty Boy back here for another episode of Dusty's Kitchen. Today's gonna be a special one. We're back with the same air fryer, but today we're cooking with two air fryers up in this. This is the air fryer that our household already had. It's a bigger version, family size. So you compare the differences. Boom. All right. So we're cooking with fire today, or air, if you want to be technical. So last episode was more of a trial starter into air frying for me. So it was just the potatoes and chicken, the wings. So today we're doing a couple different things, unique things that you would cook in an air fryer. It's gonna be my way, and it's gonna be good. So let's get started with the first thing. All right, so we got our air fryers preheating, and for the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna make some roasted garlic, little hors d'oeuvres for, you know, when you're just drinking, getting ready to eat. And then after this, we're gonna make like an actual appetizer. So we're gonna do this up real quick. We're gonna go ahead and cut the tops off of every piece of garlic, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do with them. So we got all the garlic cut real nice, so it's all exposed at the top. We're gonna wrap them in foil, drizzle some olive oil on top, a little bit of pepper, and pop them on in and get them started. And 10 minutes. So for my next item, we're gonna make some taquitos. So I'm gonna take a bowl. I'm going to take a can of chicken breast that I've already drained. Put some chicken in here. Chicken's nice and mashed up. The second thing for these taquitos is some jarred jalapeno slices, and the reason I'm using these is because they're a little softer, they're not very crispy, and they'll mix together with the chicken and they'll cook real nicely. We're gonna add some cheese. We have our microwaved flour tortilla shells that we're gonna make our taquitos with. Take a tortilla, hit it with the chicken. Nice layer of chicken. Sorry you guys can't really see that well. I'm gonna take some jalapenos. There's some across. Like so. Maybe I was going a little heavy, I don't know. This is a test, we're gonna find out. I'm gonna take some cheese. Just hit a little. Dun, da, da, da. See, all done, all rolled up, ready to be put in the air fryer. Line the bottom, put this back on. And with this one's a lot bigger. You slide this little button to take it out, and that red button, it's the pan eject. I found that out the hard way. We're gonna line them in there nice and gentle. To periodically check them so we don't burn our little talkies. All right, see how these are doing? I came back out on the porch and it just was bursting with garlic smell. Oh, look at that, nice and tender. Ooh, that's hot. Squeeze one out right there. Yeah, as soon as you put it in your mouth, it's just like a mashed potato, just falls apart. And it's super good. I don't know if a lot of you guys have tried this. It was definitely new to me at the time when I tried it. Worked at a nice restaurant, and they would give these, they would make these for appetizers. And I was like, whoa, I didn't know garlic could do that. And that's all it takes. Grab one out of here. That kind of busted open a little bit. That's the chicken in there. Let's cut one open. Hot. Cheese is melted in there. Jalapeno gives it a nice kick. I like it. Talk with your mouth full. All right, so we got some things going here. We're gonna bring the foil up, make our pouches, and throw everything in it. Got some butter here. Can't forget the butter with the seafood, am I right? So I'm gonna try to fit these the best that I can, okay? So we're gonna take one claw arrangement, fold it like so. maybe we'll start with some onions. Little bed of onions. Claw. A little bit of baby carrots. He's holding one in his claw. And a little bit of salt. A little bit of wind. A little splash of beer. You know what I'm saying? Real nice. This end over here. This end over here. Oh yeah. Make a nice seal. Careful not to have the crab puncture anything. We're gonna throw these in the air fryer. There's gonna be a lot of steam happening from the veggies, the residual water inside the crab meat, and the beer. So it's gonna be good. So hang tight while I wrap up the rest of these boys. Try it without this tray so we have a little bit more room in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in. Pop this in. We're gonna steak at 400. Turn that puppy on. We're gonna take our roasted garlic, squeeze some of that out. See how they just pop right out there? Weird, huh? So we're just gonna have a couple of those like that sitting in the butter. We're gonna go ahead and nuke this, mix it up, and that's what we're gonna use to dip in with the crab. All right, guys, so we're back, and I got the melted butter right here. I mashed up some of the roasted garlic, and boom, just in time. This one's about to go off too, just a minute. That's gonna be our dip. We're gonna check this one first because there's just a little single guy. I'm gonna see if I can do this the best I can with one hand. Woo! She's warm. Back in there. Oh man, you guys, I wish you guys could smell this. Some smell-o-vision. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's go dish these out. Okay, everyone, we're not done yet. The sun went down. I was just inside for about an hour crushing crab legs. So I'm going to finish this video, and I'm going to finish it right. So with that, we're going to make a little dessert. So let's start preparing this, because it's going to take a minute. So we got here an apple. Whatever apple you want to use. We're going to make a little apple hand pie. And we're only going to make one right now because everybody went to sleep. So let's get started. We're just going to cut this apple up. We got here some ground cinnamon. All nice on there. Some sugar. And we're gonna put some butter on there. All right, put it here. Roll it up so you can see. Okay. We're gonna take the other butter and we're just gonna smash it on the top. Just like so. Okay. So now we're gonna roll it up. Just like that. All right, so we're gonna stuff it on in there. Gently, so it don't roll over or anything. Do 10 minutes and we'll see you guys later. Oh man, that smell is so good. We have some Pillsbury rolled dough. Loosely chop some of these up, some of this. Whew. Right in here. Chop some dough off. Take our fork, crimp it down around the edges. Alright, so we're going to take the dough again. The 2 pieces of dough, fold it over with the apple on it. I know this one's a little sloppy, but it's going to be good. I guarantee it. First, I'm going to spray. I don't want these boys sticking. Take one. Put the pies down in. We're going to give them a little spray on top. And a little bit of sugar. All right, everybody, I promise you that my whole back porch smells like a bakery. It smells so good. Let's pop these on out. Woo! All right, nice on the bottom. Woo! Ouch. Look at those babies. All right, we're gonna let these cool down and we're gonna taste test them. Already broken one in half. Real hot. That's really good. These are like kind of like the pies you get at McDonald's, you know, just a handheld pie, pocket pie. But it didn't take me nothing. It was very cheap. Just bought a little Pillsbury dough, an apple that you probably have laying around the house, some sugar that you probably already have, along with some cinnamon, butter, and that's it. Everything I made today was cheap, except the crab legs. I just got those because I wanted it to be a more unique video. I wanted to do something different with the air fryers, and this is like honestly just my second experience with them. I like it because it's easy to use. It doesn't heat up your house like an oven. It cooks things fast, and it doesn't use any oil. It's just like using an oven, like baking things. So it's a little bit more healthier. So I just wanted to use it because of that. I recommend it. So I'm probably gonna make some other episodes cooking. Either I'll use them or use another method of cooking. Who knows? But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, because I really did. And there's gonna be more just like this. If you guys have any ideas for me, go ahead and put them in the comments. Like this episode, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys next time when I am doing something. Peace, guys. This episode of Dusty's Kitchen was shot with an iPhone XR, and no matter what phone you have, you probably have a nice enough camera on it to shoot some videos or capture some hobbies that you're doing and put together a little video and put it online and do your own thing. You know what I'm saying? It's not hard. So get on out there. Don't be bored during this quarantine, and use your imagination.